Hi, in this video, I will show you how to get to level 20 fast in Valorant. So if you're trying to unlock ranked or you just want to reach level 20 quickly, let me show you the methods that actually level you up the fastest in Valorant. Step 1 is always playing Swift Play. So Swift Play gives almost the same amount of XP per match as unrated, but the rounds are much shorter. A full unranked match takes 35 to 50 minutes, but Swift Play takes around 10 to 15 minutes. That means you earn more XP per hour, which is the key to hitting level 20 fast. Step 2 is completing daily missions every day. So your daily missions give more XP than the matches themselves. Go to the Battle Pass tab and check the 3 daily missions you get every 24 hours. Finishing these alone gives you thousands of XP, which cuts the grind by half. Now, step 3 is saving weekly missions for XP boost. So if you're going to play for longer session, complete weekly missions during that time. They reward huge XP and stacking them with Swift Play gives you the best leveling speed. Weekly missions stay in your account for the whole act, so do them whenever you have time. Now, step 4 is avoiding deathmatch for XP. So deathmatch gives almost no XP because it doesn't count round wins or team progression. If your goal is level 20, avoid deathmatch unless you're warming up. Stick to Swift Play, Unrated or a Spike Rush. Now, step 5 is playing a Spike Rush when you want fully equal XP. So Spike Rush has fixed rounds and gives constant XP every match. It's great when you want quick games without worrying about performance. This helps you level steadily without long match times. Now, step 6 is queuing with friends to win more games. So wins give bonus XP, playing solo reduces your win chances, but playing with friends increases team coordination. Even a small win streak dramatically increases your XP per hour. Step 7 is don't leave matches. So leaving a match or going to AFK reduces your XP and sometimes cancel the rewards entirely. So make sure each match finishes completely so you get every bit of XP possible. Now, step 8 is playing during XP boost events. So when Riot adds bonus XP weekends or limited time events, take advantage. These events can give double XP, helping you reach level 20 extremely fast. And that's how you level up 20 quickly in Valorant. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.